back to the channel. It's Christmas gonna pop off here. My house is in a hot mess. You have Christmas decorations, you have fall still out, so today we are going to just get it together. We are going to get it together. So guys, if you don't know me, my name is Isis. I'm a mom of 3 boys and a wife, and I love home decor. Anything that deal with the home, interior, decorating, remodeling, that's me. DIY, that's me. I am also a nail tech, and which I love and a passion for, but lately I'm like pushing more into home decor because of my love for what I do. But with that being said, I already started some decoration already. Did the staircase, not completely, but just put the garland on it. And today we are going to go take everything out of the cabinets except into the with the basket, because sometimes you have to bend it to get it in. So just leave it in. I can just wipe behind on the, you can still lift instead of just taking it out and have to angle it all over again. But I'm going to show you all the stuff I have here, which I'm going to try and put into these 2 cabinets. And this is something I bought last year from Costco. I got this from Costco last year, and I was thinking about returning it, but then I say I can sell it in the new home when it's finished building. I used it last year too, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the cabinet. I'm gonna decorate it. It's like a little village. So I'm gonna put them, all of them, on one shelf and make it look a little fancy. So I already put the garland on this one to see how it's gonna look, but you're gonna see everything on this one. So let me get the stuff to go ahead and clean and share with you how I'm going to decorate this cabinet. Make sure everything's in frame. The garland I'm going to use to put over the cabinet is from Walmart. There are 2 Walmart garland I use. I use one for 14 and some change and one for 16 and some change. Wrap them together and give me this look. The $14, both of them are 9 feet, which is very reasonable for $14 9 feet garland with the light. Is pre-lit. So that is what I did. I wrap it with. So the battery just went dead, so I had to change the battery. So as I was saying, I used 2 garland. One is a pre-lit. Both of them was from Walmart. One was $14 and change, one was $16 and change. Did an amazing job. For the glass, I'm going to use Spirit glass cleaner, the lavender scent. And for the furniture stuff, I'm going to use the polisher by Spirit. Love them. Love, love, love them. shelf, I am gonna go ahead with some face now, and I'm just gonna put them. And these are lighted guys. So pretty. Looks good. So this is the ribbon I'm using. So I got different size of ribbons when I was ordering to make the bows, because I have different sizes in different areas. I think this is a 7/8 and that one is a 5/8. So I just put it over to the top, and then you can flip the book over just like that. At this time, then you're gonna just make a knot. There's a twist. After you make a twist, you just bring it back over. So you're gonna look like a present. Okay, so I need a little piece more, so I'm just gonna slacken up on one side so I can pull on the other side. And just adjust the bottom again. So now you reach the top with the length that you desire. I'm just gonna cut it because I didn't cut it before. I'm gonna cut it to the same. If I could find the scissors, okay. So now I found the same. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna pass it under one side, pass it under other side. Then I'm gonna make a knot so you don't move. So that's just like that. You have a present. And you tie the bow just like how you tie your shoelace. So this is the bow. That's it there. I don't know what's going on with the camera. So just like that I have. So now I have this bow. So you can set it however you want it. You just adjust it how you want it to do. So that's it. So now I'm just going to style it in the cabinet over here. Gaius. So pretty. And then what you think, guys, to put on the other side here. So we have the books over here, and we have Christmas tree and houses. We have theirs. What else we're gonna put? So these bells was from Walmart, and I'm gonna take the ribbon, this red ribbon, and put on the burgundy to put in on the third shelf. So here I took the first set of bells out and I put in this beautiful waterfall vase from Pottery Barn with some pine stems, some knotful pine stems, and I'm thinking about changing these bells. These ones are from Walmart. These are from the Texas Home. So I got the two sizes they had. I got the largest size and the other size below it. And I'm just taking out the red ones, the red bows, and adding a bit of burgundy. I'm not sure if I'm going to style them in this cabinet or the other cabinet, but this is how we are looking right here. Finished decorating it and just wait for the end result of this one. So now I'm adding the garland. The garland, as I said earlier, there are two garlands from Walmart, the $16 and some change and the $14 and change. Both are 9 feet long. The $14 and some change, $14.98, that one come pre-lit, so you can plug it in, and I think it has warm lights, and it gave me the perfect look I was going for right here. So, and then I'm going to just add some ribbons because, as I said earlier, you know, my joy this year, and it's the first time in our home, and I wanted to just have a big wow, not overdone, but a lot of Christmassy colors. And my colors, actually, when I chose these colors, it was from a Walmart ball. I was thinking about going with sage green, had decorations already for that, and then I take them back and changed my mind and went with the burgundy, and I'm absolutely loving the burgundy in our home this year. So I did also went in and add a burgundy ribbon on the largest there in the cabinet. As you can see right here, it's absolutely beautiful. These days were from Pottery Barn. They sold out long time ago. I'm not sure if they bring them back in, but I got these a few years ago. But when I tried to get the black ones, I wanted another set of black ones from Pottery Barn, and they were sold out. I got two medium size. And here I'm just adding in these beautiful handmade bows, and this velvet ribbon was from Amazon. Let me know if you need it. I have a link in my LTK, so if you're not following me on LTK, go ahead and do so. I hope you're loving it, the Christmas content. I know I'm behind on it. I have all the videos saved already, just to edit them and put them out there. Then this one, I showed this Christmas tree. This one is from Walmart, and I just add it in a pot and add some greenery underneath of it. My son was telling me, "Mommy, don't make it too perfect. Let it lay, like have some of the grass falling down to give it like a natural look." And I absolutely love it in this pot. But it's absolutely beautiful. Both cabinets came out so nice, and I absolutely love them. So here is the end results, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Let me know what's your favorite decor in these spaces. But here is it, guys. I absolutely love it. I turned my home, move the cabinet from where it was and turn it around, so you're going to see that in the walkthrough of my home for Christmas. So I changed it around, and I love it how it's looking here. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments.